Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Maverick R passenger grab handle. This handle fits the Can-Am Maverick R, all models. Install time is around 15 minutes. Can be installed by yourself. With a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Before you begin this installation, you will need to remove the passenger seat, for better access to the center console bodywork. Please refer to one of the many online sources, on Maverick R seat removal, as we will not be covering that in this video. Let's start, by removing the factory center console panel, shown here. Do so, by removing the rear T40 Torx bolt, then the two 5mm Allen bolts, on the factory handle. Be cautious removing these bolts, as they come from the factory with heavy Loctite, and you can strip the bolts easily. Next, starting at the back of the panel, and move along the top edge, unsnapping each clip. Then forward, along the bottom edge. Now, at this point, unsnap the forward panel, which then gives you the ability to rotate rear panel, as shown, giving you access to the last handle bolt. Then, remove the factory handle. Next, grab the new DRT grab handle, and in the kit you have the handle, the rear spacer, the front mounting plate, and the three 5mm Allen bolts. Now, with a closer look, you see the rear spacer bar goes behind the handle, at the bottom two mounting positions. Next, rotate the panel out of the way again, while holding the handle and spacer in place, hand thread in the Allen bolts. Then, grab the front mounting plate, set it in place over the front mounting position, and thread in the Allen bolt. Now, you can tighten down these three bolts. Next, start snapping the panel back into place, making sure to slot in the bottom of the panel, into the floor positions. Once in place, reinstall the factory T40 Torx bolt, and you only have one thing left to do. Now, grab the DRT logo badge, remove the red backing tape, and set it in place, as shown here. Press firmly to adhere it, but not too firm, as to damage the badge. Congrats, that completes your DRT Maverick R passenger grab handle install. This billet passenger grab handle is a great way to add custom styling, safety, and additional functionality to your Maverick R. The grab handle is a direct replacement for BRP OEM part number 707901111 over molded front central holding handle, and improves passenger ergonomics, adding larger grip with finger grooves. The billet passenger grab handle adds multiple hole slots for mounting GPS, tuner monitor, or other accessories. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.